Facebook resolves automatic friend request bug after users complained. The social networking website Facebook has apologized for a technical glitch users were facing recently, as an automatic friend request was being sent to the profiles people were visiting. A large number of users highlighted the issue on Twitter, with the screenshots and screen recordings of the ongoing glitch. Shortly after the concerns emerged, Meta issued an apology while admitting that the inconvenience was due to a bug in the website. Meta released a statement with the Daily Beast that read, "We fixed a bug related to a recent app update that caused some Facebook friend requests to be sent mistakenly." A spokesperson for the tech giant told the outlet, "We've stopped this from happening and we apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused." However, this is not the first time that the website has faced this issue, as the social networking website has been often targeted by scammers. Earlier this year, it was reported that some scammers were using Facebook pages to spread malware to victim systems.